if you can see. Okay. ¿Se puede ver?
A ver, déjame hacerlo yo porque
Like,
tú
there's nothing
estás
around.
manejando.
And this guy behind me is like recording.
Are you recording?
Yeah, it's recording. But there's ways to it. We get to the hill and then like you will be able to see everything around.
Yeah.
Because like right now we're going up. But the hill's going up there.
There's actually nothing beyond the hill.
Yeah, but like I mean you can
There's
see.
not much of a difference.
But like you can see, like you can see more, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah. Why are you so close?
Because I want to see your delicious lips. Ow! Echo!
Mommy.
I love you, boo-boo.
Love you too.
I'll see you soon.
Okay, no. That is what that's it. Like there's nothing.
No, there's nothing.
No buildings.
There's nothing.
The buildings.
Who said there was something?
No, I'm saying.
I never said there was anything.
I'm just saying.
No, I didn't say there was anything.
Wait, what?
I like to confuse my baby. I'm just kidding, Bubito. Mwah. Bubito. Booby. 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 Osito traviesito.
Huh?
La voz.
Shut up.
Taquito, ¿te hizo bien el té?
Yeah. Your magic tea.
I made him
Magic tea.
some magic tea with my magic ingredients. I went to the bathroom and then I came back and I was like, here you go, baby. So it actually helped his voice. I mean, he's talking a lot better than yesterday, so, you know.
And it doesn't hurt my throat.
And his throat doesn't hurt, so. That's a ranch. I want to see some cows. I want to see some cows and horses.
Alright, here you're gonna see two cows driving the truck. Watch.
Okay, you want to see some cows?
There you go.
There's some cows. I mean, you can't see them because they're driving. They actually have driver's license. Leco, stop.
Alright, now you can see like everything. There's nothing.
This is pure emptiness.
Nah. Are you serious?
Nothingness. We're driving into the nothingness
Yeah, we're going into.
of forever.
Wow. That's all it's like.
¿Cuál es eso? Oh, look, the airplane, Flaquito! Look at el avión. ¿Verdad que sí parece el avión antiguo? I'm telling you, Flaco, it does. Flaco, it does.
No, it
Do you remember
doesn't.
when they first started flying?
Yeah,
Like
but
the
it's-
right. Who was it that first invented the airplane?
My grandpa.
Man, shut up, Flaco. The Wright brothers. The Wright brothers.
No, it was
In
my
what? In
grandpa.
1907.
Wait, was it in 1957?
What the fuck? No.
Very short.
Flaquito.
Short.
1957, my mother was born in 1956, and there were already airplanes fully equipped.
Oh, no, yeah, you're right.
Oh my God.
I went,
Let me give this
I went.
Osito Travieso a history lesson. The Wright brothers invented the aircraft
What the fuck?
in 1907, and they first tested it on a field like this, and that's why I got confused with the history books, and that's why those things look like airplanes.
No, they don't.
They look like airplanes to me, Flaco.
No, it doesn't. No.
That, what the fuck is, okay, wait. That shit doesn't look like an airplane, but those tubes look like airplanes? You have to be kidding me. Love you.
Love you too.
Mwah. So, that's a farm.
Oh, finally, houses.
Okay, like either we're gonna have to slow down because I have to pee like really bad. Oh, this is a cemetery. Oh, you have to slow down, Pavito. It's only 55. Zaco, we never got a chance to go to the cemetery.
I feel like I'm driving on the driveway.
The fuck is your driveway like 6,000 miles long?
55. So
What the fuck? Do you like ram into your garage door? No. Zaco, look, airplanes.
they don't look like
They do look like airplanes. And you know why? Because they have wheels.
Ay, baño.
Okay, baño. Baño, con cuidado, hay muchas bolas y pozos.
Shake it off, Lucy.
I'm not gonna shake it off. If you keep going through those pozos, I'm gonna have to shake it off because I'm gonna have an accident.
Are you gonna shake it?
I'm gonna be like this.
Okay, mommy, I'm gonna stop recording.
Wait.
Love you.
Love you too.